guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna be doing my post braids or my after braids routine with you guys. I've had these braids since January. They're so long, they come all the way down to my booty. Okay. Pretty long, and I am tired of it. My birthday is on Sunday and I was just like, I need to get these braids out. Okay, so I'm about to cut it out. I'm probably gonna do it all night, but I could tell where my hair is because my hair is actually ombre, so I could tell where they hit it. So my hair stops right here. Right here. That's where it stops. So I'm gonna cut all of this out. Okay. This is where it stops. I don't know, do you guys say fresh, like done or did? Like when people be like, oh, I just got my hair did. Is that a thing? Like, I don't know. I hear a lot of Americans talking like that. Africans, we always say, I just got my hair done. Because we speak like the Queen's English. We speak like the British people do. Our English is more like different. It's different. Not like more like different. It's different, but we always say, I just got my hair done. Or my nails done. Not, I just got my nails did. That's how Americans talk. They be like, I just got my nails did. Like, girl, I don't know. I don't know. What do you say? Do you say done or did? I'm curious to know. Comment down below. What if I go to work like this tomorrow? Wouldn't that be funny? This is a hairstyle. This is a hairstyle, actually. I could actually shape this and go to work tomorrow like this. If I'm too tired. I don't know. But yeah, I will see you guys when I take off my braid. Hi guys, so this is what my hair looked like. This is day 2 actually. I have taken my braids out. I took my braids out yesterday and I just came from work. When I took out my braids, I just put it in a ponytail this morning and I went to work because I could not be bothered. Oh god. I could not be you know, you get what I'm saying. I'm gonna put the word right here. You know, I could not be bothered. Yeah, bothered to wash my hair last night because I was too tired. It took me and my mom like almost 5 hours to do it. I started around 8:30 and I didn't finish till like we started around. I mean, I started by myself around 8:30, and then my mom felt sorry for me like 2 hours into it, and she helped me, but I didn't finish it like 12:30. But that's what my hair looks like. The growth is just insane, guys. Like, do y'all remember when I dyed my hair like a couple months ago, like just a few months ago? Look at the growth. But I am about to use a mask on my hair. You guys already know what type of mask I'm using. I am using my Avocado Mask, the Cardi B Avocado Mask. You guys already know that I use that. I love it. I haven't been able to do it ever since I got my braids in like 2 months ago. Even though you still can put mask on your braids, like you could still moisturize your hair and still take care of your hair and wash your braids if you want to. I used to do that a lot, like back in the day when I first started my natural hair journey, but I just did not have the time and the patience, and I've been so busy in the office. Guys, I can't be bothered with that. Oh god, the word is back again. Bothered. God, I promise you guys, I am educated. I am not an illiterate. It's just that sometimes trying to pronounce some words is kind of like But yeah, I am going to be putting a mask on my hair. I'm excited. Guys, this is what the mask looked like. I made it last night and I forgot to add my castor oil on it, but I'm gonna mix it. This is why I tell you guys to not keep this mask for more than like 2 days, because the avocado inside is going to like basically spoil. You guys know avocado spoils like really fast, so I only recommend you to, like, the day that you want to use it, you make it. But this is good. Like, you guys already know the recipe, but if you don't, I'm gonna link the recipe right here. I've already made the recipe on here, but I'll put all the measurements and stuff like that down in the description box. You guys probably thinking, why are you using so much mask? Because I have a lot of hair, and you guys will see that all of this will literally enter my hair. It's not that much. It's probably like maybe 10 spoons inside of this bowl. Is not that much. And I want every inch of my hair to be moisturized. Like, I want every angle to have the mask, because I have literally neglected my hair for the past 2 months. So I'm basically going to revive my curls back and just like make sure like my hair is, you know, perfect. My last mask video, a lot of you guys were saying like why you using a mask and then you go ahead and use shampoo. That's because this mask contains a lot of protein, using a lot of eggs, a lot of mayo. That's a lot of protein already on your hair, so you don't want to over saturate your hair with protein, especially if you're around the 4C, 4B, 4A category, because it's going to definitely ruin your curls. Too much protein is going to ruin your curls, and especially when you're buying products as well, even if you're not going to use this mask, read the ingredients, make sure that the product do not have too much protein, because too much protein is going to destroy your strands. Go ahead and do your research about it. I always research about like things and chemicals for my hair, because it's very, very important that I save this queendom that I'm building. You know what I'm saying? Like, it takes a lot to have natural hair and to try to maintain it, and I just don't want like overdoing products to like ruin my journey. It doesn't make sense to be natural for all these years and then just don't care anymore. You know what I'm saying? Like, I really pay attention to things like that, even though I haven't paid attention to my hair in 2 months. I have to take off my white shirt because I don't want to stain it with avocado. I just apply it like so. Sometimes I just use my fingers, but my nails are so long I don't want it to like go inside of it. But I think I'm gonna end up using my fingers. But that's what I do. I don't think I blended this mask really well. It's okay, but I should have used like my NutriBullet. I used my NutriBullet, but I didn't put it on the like the grime setting. You know, like they have different levels, and I think the level I put it on was just too like, it wasn't grimy enough, if you understand what I'm saying. Ignore my shirt. It's my quarantine shirt. Quarantine. We all be dressing ratchet. No judgment this year, but just apply my mask like so. I'm gonna use my hand because this spoon is gonna take way too long. If this mask get everywhere, it's okay. And as you can see, I didn't grind it well. Make sure you grind it really well, because I really feel like taking it back to the blender, but look, we don't have time for that. We don't have time for that. This is good like that. It's good like that. Y'all can see there's chunks that I don't like, but we move. And I don't detangle my hair before I put on the mask. The mask is going to detangle my hair for me. They always do that, so you don't need to detangle and then put the mask on. This mask also works as a detangler. Like, as you can see for my braids, I have like these strands right here that I like, it's like knotted. I'm just gonna put the mask on them like so, and it's gonna detangle it for me. You guys see how wet and soaked my hair is with the mask? Just amazing, just amazing. I'm gonna put it at the top as well. I'm gonna make sure the mask is covered. Like every strand of hair needs to be covered. Every strand is very, very important that every strand is covered. Perfect. Mask is done. Yeah, look at that. Your girl's losing weight. But this is not a weight loss video, okay? But anyways, this is what the mask looks like. I'm gonna just wrap it like so. I just usually wrap it like so. It's not gonna drip down. That's why you should make it really thick. Here's the chunks for me. Here's the chunks for me. The avocado mask. Here's the chunks for me. Here's the chunks for me. I love this avocado mask. I can't sing for shit. Y'all, it's been like 30 minutes, like almost 40 minutes. Yeah, 40 minutes since I did the mask, and I'm gonna take it out. Usually I do it for like 30 minutes to an hour. If I have more time than a whole hour, but girl, I'm tired. I'm tired, so I am going to wash it out and show you guys what I use, the shampoo I use. I use products from Canvas Beauty brand. I did a whole review on the collection, but I'm about to hop in the shower and show you guys what I do. So I have washed out the mask out of my hair. It have like a little bit of chunks, so I'm gonna use my shampoo to like get rid of all these chunks in my hair. That's why I said always blend your mask to like the highest level because all these chunks are kind of annoying, but my shampoo are gonna get rid of it. I'm gonna use my Canvas Beauty shampoo right here. I'm also gonna add this follicle shampoo as well. It's not a shampoo, but it's like a follicle booster, but this and the shampoo together is just like make your hair just amazing. So I'm gonna use both of them together and just get rid of all this crumbs out of my hair. If you're wondering what my hair is looking like, this is what it looks like. Yeah, a lot of foam, a lot of that. So yeah, I'm gonna wash my hair, just lather it. I usually massage my head for like 5 minutes, maybe 3 to 5 minutes. And you're probably wondering why haven't this girl detangle her hair yet? I don't detangle until I put conditioner in my hair. Shampoo is not soft enough to like, you know, nurture your hair. Shampoo is supposed to like take out dirt. You don't want to be detangling while you're shampooing. As you can see, the soap is soap that is there. So it's making my hair a little bit hard. So when I put the conditioner, that's when I usually detangle my hair. That's when I always detangle my hair. Okay, probably wondering why is this girl not done yet, and ignore this neat little hair right here. Such a hater. But now I use my conditioner. I use my Canvas Beauty conditioner, and this is the deep conditioner. I mix both of them together and I leave it on my hair for at least like maybe 10 minutes. Usually that time, I know it's kind of a long time to stand in the shower. Yeah, I know, but that's the time I usually take my shower, shave. Whenever I'm doing this, I have a lot of things going on in the bathroom, okay? So don't do this when you just got to take a quick shower because it takes forever. But I'm going to apply both of them together. Oh, one thing I've been really loving is this Dove Recovering Mask right here. I apply it with the conditioners. Guys, this is so amazing. I've never seen this in stores. One of my friends got it for me, and I'm gonna try to repurchase this because this thing right here, it's so amazing. It's for coils and curls right here, specifically for us girls with curly hair. But definitely check this mask out. It's so bomb. I love this. It makes my hair just feels amazing. I love it so much. Y'all, if y'all not hip to this brush already and you have natural hair, I don't know what's wrong with you. I don't know what you're doing with your life, because this is like the ultimate, the best detangling brush ever. But I'm just gonna detangle my hair now. It's gonna take a while, okay? It's gonna take a while. But this mask have been in my head, not this mask, this conditioner have been in my head for at least like maybe like 6-7 minutes. I just, you know. So now I'm gonna just detangle my hair. Usually I like to just massage my scalp with this as well, just so that it can increase the movement and my blood circulation in my head. Y'all see them curls? Y'all see them curls? Look at the curls. Okay, so now I'm about to apply my castor oil and also my leave-in conditioner. Then I apply my shaping butter by Dove as well. It comes from the same brand that it comes from the same line as what I just showed you guys previously from Dove, the mask. This is the cream, basically. This is the butter. It is the shaping butter cream. Love this stuff. Let me show you guys what it looks like. Nice. And then I use my can too. It's almost finished, guys. Look at that, just a little bit left. I need to restock on this, but I use all of this three together and my hair looking so soft, guys. The shrinkage is real. What is this? Are you serious? So after applying all my moisturizers, the last thing I'm gonna do is apply this serum right here. It's from Canvas Beauty. This is a serum, like a hair serum. It is like, guys, ever since y'all see the hair growth, yeah, I don't even need to explain it. But even when I had my braids, I was like applying this on my edges, like I would do like so. Y'all, my edges came back, y'all. Look at that, it came back, y'all. My edges came back. Y'all know I lost my edges for a minute, but yeah, I know I put a lot, but I like to put a lot of it just so that it goes everywhere. Of course, I'm going to apply the serum in every areas of my scalp, but I just want to show you guys how I apply it. And I love, like, it have this applicator right here. It's just so easy to just like get in there. So the next thing I usually do is do like cornrows. My mom usually cornrow my hair, or usually I go to the salon, but because of COVID, my mom is doing it. Shout out to my mom. But that's what I do. And then after I do that, I usually go in with I would just put a wig on and go about my day, and then I repeat the same step once a month. I only do this once a month. I know you're probably like, what? But yeah, it takes a long time to do this, so don't judge me if I only do it once a month, because natural hair is a lot to handle. You could do it every 2 weeks, but for me personally, I don't have time for that. And my hair, like my hair don't sweat, so I don't have like, you know, my odor from my head. Like I don't have dandruffs and none of that, so it's perfectly fine. I could go like a long time and not wash my hair, and you would not smell anything. And that's coming from people that are really personal and close to me. But anyways, yeah, I'm gonna cornrow my hair. When my mom comes home, she's gonna cornrow my hair, and then I'm going to be wearing wigs. For my birthday, I'm gonna wear a wig. Yeah, I'm gonna wear a wig. Yeah, I'm gonna wear a wig. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. I love you guys so much. I hope you guys learned some things and, you know, tips and tricks. I hope you guys love this vlog style, personal type of thing that I'm doing, you know, for. So if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you learned something from this video, give it a thumbs up. Comment down below on ideas and things you want to see on my channel, and I will see you guys in my next video. And that's on what? Period. Peace out.
Baby girl, you fine. You fine.